I did not have a rich father, tried 3 times for university, but all failed. I applied for Harvard for 10 times, but all failed. They don't even want to see me for the last time. I went to the teacher college which was considered the third or fourth class of my city. I applied jobs for 30 times but got rejected. It was so difficult at the time. I was so frustrated because I taught in the university my pay was $10 a month because I could not find a good job. And in 1994 discusses that I am going to do something called internet, and 23 of them against it. They say this is a stupid idea. We have never heard about the internet and you know nothing about computer. And I never thought I was smart. Nobody believed that I could be successful because everybody said this guy think differently, think crazily. He will think about something that will never work. I tried to borrow US dollar 3000 for the banks. It took me 3 months but I still could not get it. We talked to over 30 or 40 venture capitalists. Everybody said no, forget it. Lot of people said Alibaba is a terrible model. I said I believe it. I think this thing could be big. I never thought it would be that big like today. But I believe that something is waiting for me there. And I have to work hard to prove myself. That was the tough experience. So we gathered $50,000 from 18 founders. We started. For the first 3 years, we did not have even $1 revenue from our business. It was not easy, but why it keeps us going ahead, going forward because I received lots of emails of thanks for the customers. They said, "This is such a great thing. We cannot pay you, but this thing helped us. If you keep on helping us, one day you will be successful." And I believe this. Little by little we built up our business, little by little we built up our ecosystem of the infrastructure, and now after 16 years we have Alibaba Group, we have Tmall Group, we have a Tabu Group, and we have a Alipay. And people say, you are so smart, how could you make a company like that? Bill Gates, Warner Buffett, Jack Welch, Larry Page, Mark Zuckerberg, the difference between those people and other people, they are always optimistic for the future. They never complain, they always try to solve the problems of the others. When you are optimistic, it is always opportunity. People say the same things here today. Jack, where is the opportunity? I don't have a job, I don't have a this, I don't have a that. We are at the best time of this century. The best assist you have is that you are young. Don't complain. Let the others people complain. The opportunity always lies where people complain. Think about how you can make things different. Is there anything I can do that makes the difference? And then when you think about this, start to do it. I saw a lot of people, young people, have a fantastic ideas every evening, but in the morning they go office, same thing again. Being you have to do things before the other people do. You have to wake up before the other people wake up. You have to be more brave than the others. Use your instinct. Everything you do is to the need of the customer. To everybody, to any person, tomorrow is new. Make the move, make the action. Whether investors believe it or not, whether your friends believe it or not, whether your parents believe it or not, that's not important. You believe it, your team believe it, and work day and night on this. Don't worry about the money. Money follows people. People should follow their dreams. If you have a dreams, just go ahead. I think nobody can conquer the world. We only can serve the world. Either work for others or work for yourself, and I choose the way of working for myself. Working for myself, that means working for the society. If you really want to work for yourself, think about the others, because only then the other people are successful. When the other people are happy, you will be successful, you will be happy.